Whether you're finding it hard to get a proper erection, or your engine is always disappointing you at the last minute, or you're tired of this because you can't please her, we've got something for everyone. Welcome to Green Juice Smoothie Making Channel. Here, we're all about creating delicious and nutritious smoothies and drinks that will make you feel great inside and out. Join us as we share favorite recipes and tricks for making the perfect smoothie. Drinks that will make your night of enjoyment a bliss. This is purely natural, and it will work through your system naturally at all times. So grab your blender and let's get blending. Please click on the subscribe button to be part of the club. Thank you. For you to achieve great results, follow this video step by step to the end. Please help this channel by clicking on the like button and sharing the video as well. Remember that every time you wish to prepare this juice or this drink, you must always use fresh ingredients. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more content like this, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss an upload. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and leave a comment below with your thoughts or suggestions for future videos. Your support means everything to us and helps us to continue creating content that you love. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.